Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are gonna take the last type of the layouts that we are gonna work with in this course, which is the relative layout. Now the relative layout is actually a more flexible way than the linear layout, but it's actually less than the conceptual layout. It's in the middle. Now the relative layout, it's the most, and it's actually we are gonna work it with it inside all other applications that we are gonna build inside this course. Now the reason behind it, because I choose it because it gives us something really nice, and it has a lot of features. For example, for the responsivity, for the responsive mobile applications. Okay, and for example, if you make your device bigger than what it's right now, or make it small, the relative layout will give us something really great. Now let's go ahead and go inside our text tab, and gonna change this back to be relative layout. Okay, and I do not need anymore this property of orientation. Now the relative layout, it's actually the power of the relative layout comes with its own properties. It has a lot of great properties. Okay, that's we are not going to talk about in this video, because the best way to understand everything, it's put it in action. Now you may be wondering, why did you just introduce us to these types of layouts? Because I want you to know just the names of these, because in the next videos we are just gonna build and design applications that we're using all the types of layouts, and it will be great idea. So I do not want to give very long videos about these types, okay, because we are gonna put them in action and you will get the idea. Now the relative layout, as I said, it has a lot of great properties that we are gonna take in the next videos. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna drag and drop a button. So as you can see, it's paint in the top. Okay, and if I drag another one, so as you can see, it's not hidden, but it's got be below this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on this button, go here inside the properties window, okay, and switch to all and a few properties by clicking on this icon. I'm gonna switch to all icons. I'm gonna search for the alignment. Now the align, or the layout underscore align, one of the biggest reasons and for you to use the relative layout. So as you can see, this align property come only with this relative layout. And for example, when you select any view and type align in the properties window, search for it, you will see all these different options, and you can read them one by one. For example, let's go here where it says layout align parent bottom, and if you check it, what it's gonna do is gonna take this button and make it always to the bottom of the parent, in this case our screen. Okay, and if you make it align parent right, it will take it to the right or to the left, okay, or to the start, to the top. You can do a lot of stuff, okay, with this align property. And this is the power of relative layout. It's, for example, if we make it to the bottom, okay, and if we change the screen size, okay, so as you can see, it will stay on the bottom no matter what the devices that run our application. It will stay on the bottom, and this is the power of the relative layout. And we are going to design more application using all these properties and layouts to give you more understand about this stuff. So that was our 3 types of layout in Android development. Now guys, do not take these stuff as a real world examples. Okay, what I did is actually just to take the 3 types of layouts, okay, and I'm not gonna I didn't put any of these in real world example. In the next videos we are gonna implement images, we are gonna add videos, we are gonna add audios, we are gonna create real world applications, okay, so using what we have learned so far. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.